Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in DSLD Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to log in DSLD Mortgage, you need to open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.dsldhomes.com. Once you type in this URL, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you need to do is simply in the home buying guide, you need to tap on it and find the DSLD mortgages section. So from there, simply tap on sign in option, and once you have tapped it in, you need to scroll down below and type in your email address, then the password of your account, and simply tap on the login option. So once you have done this, you are all set as you are logged in into your DSLD mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.